All right, so I need a helmet. So, can you see me in here?
It's a little dark.
All right, guys, Richard here at eBike Reviews and Adventures. We've got Amanda over there on the Sky, and we're getting ready to take the Franken trike down for Ron, my buddy, and I'm using the e-bike Lion to do that with because it's a big, hefty, hunking cargo-style e-bike. So we got it on there, we got it strapped down. Now we're going to take this and get it off this big old kickstand, which is a problem. I knew it would be. Yeah, this thing's heavy. So this 80-pound trike.
Oh my God.
This trike is 80 pounds, something like that. And getting this bike off its A-frame kickstand down there was challenging. But hey, we're gonna make it work. We're gonna make it work. Oh yeah, yeah. You can definitely feel the weight.
Yeah.
All right, let me close the garage door. You ready to go?
I'm ready. Let's get this monster hunt on the road.
Oh yeah, this is challenging.
Don't topple over, because I'm gonna get it on camera.
Woo. Wow, this is so challenging. I mean, not only is it kind of big, so it makes it top heavy. Wow, I'm all over the road. But this thing is like, you know, it's 80 pounds. And it's, yeah, it's a challenge. Woo. What do you think, Amanda?
I think I'm a little nervous.
I'm a little nervous. You're a little nervous. I'm a little nervous too. Actually, I didn't think it was going to be this squirrely, but it is. It's quite squirrely. Yeah. I mean, you got to be real cautious. I mean, you can't turn. It's hard to turn. So I needed to turn around here in the road right now or something. I don't think I could do it. Don't think I could do it. So these cargo bikes are touted that, you know, they can carry, 450 pounds, I think this one, but it is a challenge. It's something you definitely have to practice with and practice with and practice with before getting comfortable with it. Luckily, Ron's house isn't too far away. It's just right here. Let's see if I can get up in his driveway without toppling over. What's that?
You got it all on the bike going in.
I don't think I want to. I'm going to stay out here.
Why?
I don't want to risk it.
You ain't going to hit that car. I'll move this over.
We're going to stop right here, Amanda.
You're a better rider than that.
You have no idea what this feels like.
What? That thing?
Yeah, that 80 pounds or whatever it is right there.
Shit, we'll pull up here.
Heck no, because if it topples, you don't understand. This thing is like,
well, I'll get on one side and hold it.
You hold the bike so I can get off of it. That's what I'm telling you.
Hold the bike?
That's what I'm telling you.
Which way are you going to get off?
I'll get off over here.
Okay. Good?
That thing is just, I mean, feel the weight.
Oh, yeah. I thought you were going to throw it in the back of your truck.
No, we wanted to test this out.
Do you think we can walk it up?
Yeah, we can walk it up.
And then we don't have to carry it so far.
Yeah.
Just go all the way up to the
Yeah,
door.
let's go up here and get away from the car a little bit.
Right
Now here's the trick. We got to put this down.
Okay. Just like the old motorcycle.
And then, hold on. And again, we got to lift it up a little bit.
There you go.
Woo, Amanda, we did it.
Yeah, we made it.
Mine out of the way.
And so far, we haven't destroyed his car.
I ain't worried about the car. It's insured.
Trust me. Yeah. Let's not have to test that insurance, all right?
And I don't want to. That's
All right, hold
they
on.
jack your price up every time you turn
Nope.
around.
I'd be writing you a big old check
No,
or
that's
something.
a good idea. Bounce that a minute.
Okay, yeah,
I got a roller board. I can sit that on to roll it around.
good idea.
We'll get it off and sit it on this.
Let's take a couple of these pieces off anyway that are just kind of dangling up here. That, this, and I think, let me grab this box now. That big old piece right there, which is pretty heavy.
All right.
Got it?
Yep.
Okay, I got the rest of it.
This ought to be fun.
I don't think it's going to be fun at all.
That way we get it around, it just works.
I don't think it's going to be fun at all, my friend. Yeah, that was our Christmas
I
box.
hope all the parts are
I hope so.
in
Too.
there. If not, you said they won't work with you.
Oh no. Nope, they won't. Other people have tried and got nowhere. And here's what I'm thinking. I'm trying to remember. Was there a bag of nuts and bolts in there, Amanda? Do you remember seeing that?
I believe there was some
Yeah,
in there.
there was some in there. If anything, I imagine it's probably going to be like nuts and bolts that were missing.
Oh, I got, see all that? I got bolts.
You got-
nuts,
yeah, you got
all
lots.
kind. I got enough. So,
Yeah, I suspect that's probably all it would be. I mean, everything else looks like it's there.
okay. I get to have fun trying to put it together.
And I'll come down in here and help you a little bit too from time to time if you need some help or something. Yeah, if you get
but
if you need a little
there'll
help, I'll
probably be a few days.
try. Hey,
So,
nobody is in
so,
any rush.
Okay.
No rush at all.
Oh,
If it never gets done, it never
What's
gets
this?
done.
Oh, that's neat. A little hold-on thing.
Yeah, the whole
If you ride.
Yeah.
If you can get somebody to ride with you. I'm kidding you.
You want to go for a ride?
No, I know.
He's like,
Not be
no.
on film, no.
Why? We'll have Amanda go right
Oh,
behind
yeah,
us.
I know you would. He'd try to throw me on purpose, just like the day you were on the ground and he was laughing and saying,
No,
Yeah.
that was Emma that was on the ground.
oh, was that Emma?
That was
Yeah,
Emma.
that was Emma.
I thought you fell one day.
I haven't fallen yet, and
Oh,
I'm
well, good. Good.
knock on wood.
Yeah, that was Emma. You said I laughed at that
That's
picture.
not wood.
I said, boy, that's the way he is. I gotta watch him. So,
Hey, I made sure she was okay and she wasn't hurt first before I laughed at her.
yeah. You're not riding your bike?
No,
Riding a different one, huh?
yeah.
Did you trade again already?
No, I
No.
still have mine. I'm just testing this one.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
That one came to us broke.
Huh?
It came to us broke, so we're waiting on
Yeah, you
parts.
told me there was a part coming the other day.
Well, come look at the crank. Spin that crank.
Oh, I can see it's off the chain.
No, spin the crank. Look how warped it is.
Oh, geez. Oh, yeah.
So the chain won't stay on it.
Hmm.
They got one.
Yeah, it's out of.
They got one in the mail already for this.
Oh, did they? Well, okay.
But we can still ride it, just throttle only.
Yeah.
So that's what she's doing. Just
Now, what are you going to take the 30th?
I'll probably take my Moon Cool,
Moon Cool?
and she'll probably take her Troxus. Yeah.
I'm going to take my deer.
Unless
I love
you
that
want to
bike.
try. You want to take this one?
No, I'm going to take my bike.
You could, and
No.
I'll even ride on the back
No. Yeah, I'll bet you would for a little while.
for a little while. Hey Ron, pull over. Let me drive a while.
Yeah, I said, no, buddy, no. So,
Well,
but what the hell? Easy come, easy go.
ooh, it's not
It's
quite
not-
that easy.
It's not easy.
See, I
Oh, that
can't.
bike's hard to get on.
Well, I got a bunch of stuff in this pocket.
Oh,
I just put that strap in here, and I got caught, and I couldn't bend my leg.
just don't need it.
Oh, yeah. All right. Good luck with that.
Well, I got you out of work for a little while.
Yep.
Have fun.
We don't
I'll
work.
see you later.
later.
We don't work. We just have fun.
Yep. Well, that's good.
Let's go this way, Amanda. Later. You know what? My seat went down.
Oh, really?
I think it did. It was wiggling a little bit, so
Maybe it wasn't tightened enough.
I don't think it was on tight enough. Okay, that's all right. Whew. All right, you back there?
Yep, I'm here.
We'll just take the long way home.
Sounds good.
See, I just kicked that footboard back there. Now it's gonna rattle. We might have to squeeze some more tape on it. Can you hear me?
Yep, I can hear you.
Oh, you didn't respond. You didn't say anything, so I wasn't sure. My feet are so big, they keep hitting these footboards. I'll have to scoot them forward a little bit. All right. Got a car behind you, Amanda. Got a UPS truck coming this way. When it's clear, you can wave that car to go around us. So they know they can pass.
They're passing.
Okay, I thought for sure we closed that door when we left.
I don't think we did.
Maybe we didn't. Maybe I got distracted and didn't.
Yeah, there's
Maybe
been a lot
so.
of that going along around here.
Yeah. All right. Let me get off this stupid bike. Whoa, almost lost my balance. Okay, so let's talk about this bike for a quick second because, you know, I like the bike. It rides pretty good when you don't have 80 pounds on it. And it's like stylish looking. I mean, it just looks different. Somebody said it kind of reminds them like a World War II tank or armored personnel carrier that was, you know, tracks or something small in the back and big wheels in the front. And so, I mean, that part's kind of cool. And I like that, you know, we added this little accessory back here to help passengers have something to hold on to. But man, putting 80 pounds on it that tall is pretty darn squirrely. In fact, I would say it's pretty close to being dangerous.
Yeah, that was good.
Yeah, so I don't know, that's something I'd want to do on a regular basis. If, you know, if you got something that you need to haul on a regular basis, I would say get a cargo trailer and figure something out like that and just put lighter stuff on here. I mean, groceries would probably be fine and things, but not 80 pounds. But hey, we'll do some more testing with it and see what we can do with it before we do the full review. That's going to be it for this video.
Oh, wow.
And until the next time, you guys ride safe.